Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and tapping Sign In to your iPhone. This starts account creation immediately. You need a reachable email and a secure password because Apple links identity and security to both. Once done, make sure device software is current, then tap Create Apple ID. You'll enter name, birth date, email, and a password. These fields establish account recovery and legal age. This first step sets identity and contact methods so future purchases, backups, and two-factor authentication work smoothly. Once you've entered your personal details, you proceed to pick either an existing email or create a new iCloud address. Choose what you'll remember long-term. Next, create a strong password and decide on security questions or enable two-factor authentication. This reduces account takeover risk. Make sure to enter a phone number for SMS codes. After submitting, Apple sends verification codes. Check email and messages and enter codes promptly to confirm ownership and activate account security features. You finish by agreeing to Apple's terms, signing in across iCloud, App Store, and FaceTime so your data syncs and purchases work. Make sure Find My iPhone is enabled and set up iCloud backup to protect data. If you want to buy apps, add a payment method in Settings, otherwise skip and add later. If verification fails, try resending codes, check spam for emails, and reset network settings. If still stuck, start account recovery so Apple can verify identity and restore access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.